Alright, we just got a little protective piece of foam here. We'll get rid of that. So we're opening up, seeing the ratchets right off the bat. There's 3 different sizes of ratchet, 1/4 inch, 3/8, and half. So you can get after pretty much everything. They're all 90 tooth ratchets. 2 different hex key sets. Everything in this entire box is in standard and metric. Standard is in red and metric is in blue. If we look at the wrenches even, wrenches are all marked with it, so that's going to make it super easy. Up top, there's little bit drivers here. Classic Kobalt bit driver. It's got everything I'd expect. And then just about every single bit under the sun. So we've got flat, Phillips, Torx, there's some square in here. It's the whole deal. So let's say I've got a project I need a T30 Torx head for. Grab that out and snap it into my driver. Clicks into place just like I'd want it to. Nice solid little purchase there. Place that back in here. Let's see what else we got in here. Like I said, on this side we got all our ratchets. I'll just grab out the 3/8 real quick just to take a peek. I love playing with ratchets, man. It just sounds like a real tool. Super good weight, good quality. This is the kind of tool that I'm excited to get in this box. Yeah, this is one of those where I feel like everybody goes out and buys one here and then buys one later and amasses a whole random box of ratchets and drivers. Everything's right here for you. This will get you started on any project. All right, let's open up some drawers and see what we got here. All right, so a ton of drivers. Looks like all of these are kind of smaller sizes, so it looks like there's some that are 1/4. There's also some Torx in here. So we'll pop some out and see how they run. Man, it feels good. Love a smooth 90 tooth ratchet. Again, super strong collection in here. There's enough Torx drivers to do pretty much any project you could get into, and then like I said, a bunch of small sizes. So let's keep rolling through drawers. All right, so these are all extended. Looks like we're again rolling through pretty much all the sizes. There's standard and metric in here of all the extended, and there's 1/2 inch drive. There's some 1/4 inch drive in here, so it's going to cover all that. So it looks like this is all the standards that you're going to need. Again, it's split red for standard and blue for metric. Man, it's going to have everything you need to get any project done.
Today's advanced engineering and technology requires an automotive technician to be more precise than ever. Isn't it time you had a torque wrench that's equally advanced? The Mac Tools line of electronic torque wrenches with optional angle reading deliver a market-leading experience that guarantees precision and speed. All Mac Tools electronic torque wrenches are fitted with an advanced flexible head for maximum versatility and reach. When under load, an indicator light and audible buzzer alert the user of their progression to their chosen torque. These indicators can be set to the user's preference using either peak hold or track mode, providing extreme accuracy while preventing an accidental over-torque. Each torque wrench is designed with a simple push-button feature to choose from foot-pounds, inch-pounds, newton-meters, kilogram-centimeters, and optional angle in seconds. With the wide range of angle and torque wrench options that can be used in forward or reverse, torque and angle measurements will be simple and fast. Many traditional torque wrenches need to be set manually, wasting time and money. But with our 9 programmable presets, your job will be easier, faster, and more accurate than ever. Once you're done with the job, you're done. The Mac Tools electronic torque wrench line includes an automatic shutoff and reset after 2 minutes of sitting, making it easy to move on to the next job. The Mac Tools line of digital torque wrenches are great to work with.